my fucking truck.
Alright guys, welcome back to the Ozone. Let's start going through these shoes again. Let's get you guys a little bit of box action, let it focus. Out of box, I hope you guys can tell what these are. Let me show you. Got a little box action. The box came damaged from our favorite new seller, eBay. I just dropped my box top on the floor. This is their little card they give you again. Hopefully by seeing the box, you guys know what these is. Or these are, I apologize. See the little towel you get. Let's take one of these melodramas out of the box. Alright, that's cool. They're putting a little eBay tag where the laces are. Let's start. Wanted this shoe for a while. It's the Air Jordan 1 Retro High Gatorade Orange Peel. You guys some spin action. So you got the little eBay verification tag. Let me move it back a bit. And you got your spare laces. You have your green laces, white laces, extra. And they come with orange laces. See the little Gatorade lightning bolt. Orange all the way around the shoe. Very good shoe. I have the entire collection now. I may rebuy them because they're going all over the place. I would like to have another dead stock pair of every one. This is my second dead stock pair of this one I wore. My other ones like once. I transformed one pair into a custom. I'm going to go back. Like I said, a little Gatorade lightning bolt. I hope you guys can see it in the back. I got these again, so I could just have a dead stock pair in my collection. Show you guys that bottom again. Woo! It's just a good shoe. Got it for a great price on eBay. Show you that little dongle again. They're really trying to step it up. Alright guys, let's get on to the next shoe. Alright guys, our next shoe up, we're getting back to the Adidas. Got this pair from Foot Locker. You guys check out the card. Nothing on the back. I'll get that to the side. Then we'll get you guys some box action. This shoe is the Adidas Hardcourt Originals White, Sea Black, and Gold Matte. Gave me a bad box. The shipping paper. Just opening these up for the first time. Foot Locker, please get your box game together. This box is terrible. I'm going to fix it later, guys. Like I said, I'm trying to do this for you guys live on camera. It's the first time I'm seeing the shoe. First time you're seeing the shoe. Pretty decent shoe. Like I said, I'm going back to my classic game. Used to collect Adidas all the time. Like I said, I'm coming back. Bringing the power back. Get that in focus for you guys. You can get a good view of the shoe. Woo! The materials on this shoe are outstanding. They're far better than even Jordan. I have a couple scuffs and scrapes on my shoe, but it's no big deal. I buff those out if I want to, but like I said, this is a personal pair. So I'm either going to wear or stare at these myself, so it doesn't really matter. I'm treat it before it goes out anyway. But yeah, Foot Locker, you guys need to have some better quality. I think I got these on sale, so it doesn't matter. With a whole bunch of things on sale at Foot Locker when they had double points. This is a good shoe, especially if you were around in the 80s. This continues all of that. Let me give you guys one more spin and we'll get on to the next shoe. Oh man, this shoe is beautiful. The materials on this shoe are of the top quality, bro. Past Jordan 1. Everything on here feels soft and luxurious. I don't know how they're selling these shoes at such a cheap price or why you guys aren't picking them up, but I recommend you definitely go get a pair of these if you're a fan of Adidas. All right, let's get on to the next shoe, guys. All right, guys, let's get on with this last shoe. I got this shoe on sale as well. Let me get you some box action. Wait for it to focus. This is the Converse Buckle Up Black, White, and Vote, I believe. Yeah, Black, White, and Vote Glow. Let's get it out for you guys. Just a normal, like a mid-chuck, I guess you can call it. Let me get you guys some tongue action. Shoe. It's one of the new Converses they're pushing out, so I'm trying to get back into my Converse game. It's just a normal chuck. I'm going to probably wear this in the summertime. Get a little bag on the back that you can clip on. The bag is pretty roomy. I don't know if you guys can see this, but this is a little clip. It's like the same clips you get on your backpack. So you're able to change this backpack to, I think they said 4 different ways on the shoe. Like I said, for me, this will be a summertime shoe. They're making all new outfits. The pockets are so bad. So at least I'll have a way to carry things with me. Like I said, you could put this bag here on the front, they said, or either side, and latch it on. I haven't done it myself, but I'll look into it. I got this pair and a pair of orange ones. So if you guys want to check this out, definitely head online. They're called the Converse Buckle Up. Gonna number all these shoes in the bottom, guys. Remember, comment, like, subscribe. Let me know what shoes you want to see in future videos. We're going to keep the channel going, keep the channel growing. You guys take it easy and make sure you have a nice day. Everybody fucking jump!